All right, chicos, welcome. We are two gringos on the Gulf, Jennifer and Daryl, and little Cece. So we're at the motel here. You can go back and check out the latest video to see our entry into the residence. Now we'll go check out the motel. So this one's quite a bit bigger than the last one that we stayed at. The carport is huge compared to the other one. So let's go in, my friends. No actual door, though it's just a curtain for the garage, so which is fine. And it's got that's for your deliveries. So this is our first look, just like you guys. Oh wow, big, muy grande. Looks all right. Look at that mirror. Holy. Looks very nice, very nice. It'll do. It'll do in a pinch. So you got your sink here. You got a lot of storage space here for lots of luggage. Let's figure out the lights, guys. Get some light on. There we go. That's that one. Furniture's a little wore out there, but whatever. Little view of the parking lot. It's cool in here though. I mean, it's not hot. Definitely not hot. Got outlets here. That turns on that. I don't know what. Nothing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, not a lot of light.
Oh, there's AC.
Yeah, there's AC. It does have AC. It was 800 pesos, Jennifer said, for the night. So they do rent it by the hour as well. And they had 6 hours on there. So here's the shower. It said something about a jacuzzi tub. Oh, look at there you go. Lots of light in here. A skylight.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, not a bad room, whatever. And it's on the way out, so, and it's got secure parking. I mean, if you're traveling in Mexico, these are the kind of places you want to get, right? So it does just have the curtain. It's not an actual door, but this is a sealed area. So you drive in, there's only one way in, one way out, and there's probably somebody at, well, there will be somebody at that gate at the entrance 24/7, right? So it's secure parking. No one's gonna mess with your stuff inside here. Anybody that's pulling into this parking lot, they've got other things on their mind. Cece, he just wants to roll around. All right, guys, that's it for this tour. We're going to continue on to Oaxaca tomorrow. So we're going to sleep here tonight, go for a walk around, check it out. Cece says, hola, let's go, let's go. Hold on tight, my friends. We're not done yet.
You don't like that mirror? You barking at the dog in the mirror?
Yeah. We're just going to relax for the night, guys. Take her easy. Alright guys, we just inspected the room a little bit more. It's pretty nice. The sheets are very clean. The bed looks very clean. The rest of the room looks very clean. Very nice. It smells good in here. It's like, yeah, it's nice. And Jennifer found this sign here. And what does it say, babe?
2 persons. The room is for 2 person. Check-in at 3. Hey, we got here at 3.
Oh,
check
perfect.
out at 12. Cost of an extra person is 250 pesos.
250 extra for a third person if you want to have a party.
And if they need to clean additionally out of what they can deem normal, it's 150 pesos for an extra cleaning. If you've stained the sheets, it's an extra 100 pesos. If they have to clean up vomit,
200 pesos. They're charging you for vomit.
Stain towel is 150 pesos.
Stain towel, 100 pesos.
And colchon mojado, I think, is mattress.
If you damage the mattress or stain the mattress.
I think this is wet.
Yeah.
At 400 pesos.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna clean it.
Yeah. Basically, if you stain it, if you're going to use tons of oil or lotion or whatever, 400 pesos to clean the mattress properly. All right, well, that's rather interesting. We never seen that. And the last Love Motel we stayed at, Jennifer said it was only 400 pesos.
450?
450, yeah. Around 450. This one was 800.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is Oaxaca City too. That was in Veracruz.
It doesn't seem out of the ordinary when I researched it a little bit. I mean, I didn't delve right into it. But
Yeah.
It doesn't seem out of the ordinary for the area.
Yeah, yeah. And like I say, you can get it for 6 hours. So for 12 hours, well, check in at 3 and we'll check out is at noon. We'll be gone long before noon. So 800 pesos. And that's all in. They didn't take debit cards and had to pay cash. I'm going to drop the link for the hotel in the description, guys, for you people that are traveling and want to check out this place. It's pretty cool, actually. If you're on your way to Puerto Escondido or Huachuco and you want to stop here, this is a great alternative, you know, and ask for room 210. This is room 210. So if you want, you know, and then you can stay in the same room as 2 Gringos on the Gulf, man. We're going to be clean. We're just here to sleep. Look at see, especially see, he's right at home. He's happy. But it's another 3-hour drive from here, right? So depending where you're coming from, like we came from Xalapa, and it took us, well, we left home at 10:30, or sorry, at 7:30 this morning. We're half hour late.
So 7.5 hours.
Yeah, 7.5 hours. It said 6 hours, but we stopped, obviously, right? Twice, 3 times we stopped. So yeah, 7.5 hours from Xalapa. So yeah, you'll be due for a rest. I know for me, it's perfect, right? Like 6-7 hours of drive and I'm done. So that's it. And then that's a 3-hour drive or less to Puerto Escondido for tomorrow. So excellent. Okay, guys, hold on tight. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna go grab some tacos here now. We're in room 210. That's our suite right up there, tucked away. Oh, sounds like there's a band playing out here. Maybe a parade or something. Let's go have a look, my friends. Supposed to be a taco place just down the road here, about a block or so. Not far. 300 meters, I think the map said. So, hopefully we don't get rained on. We got a little bit of rain here. So this is the place here, guys, right here. Just down the road, babe. We'll have to carry him, I guess. Down the highway. It's supposed to be not too far. I think a block. Let's go check it out, man. Oh yeah, this is the overflow entrance over here, because there was more units around the back here, but you can only get to them through here. Kind of a cloudy day now. Supposed to rain tomorrow, but we'll see. Looks like it's just right here. Well, I don't know, guys. We just grabbed some pop here. No taco place. We're gonna order something to go. Gonna get some delivery. Come on. Kind of cool too. Wet and cold right now, so we got some empanadas off a guy out in the street there, and some spicy Cheetos. They sell the spicy Cheetos here, so I got a little bag of that. You can get little tiny bags of chips, like small bags, and little tiny Coke too, like a mini Coke, even smaller than the mini, I believe. All right, guys, so we ended up getting a pizza delivered here. No, we didn't have a lot of options. A lot of places weren't doing delivery. I don't know if it's because of the weather, it's raining out or what, but anyway, as you see, the pizza looks absolutely amazing, and it tastes just as good as it looks. So it's got pineapple, it's got ham, and it's got the chorizo, which is like a spicy sausage right there. Got mushrooms, onions, tomato sauce, obviously, lots of cheese, probably Oaxacan cheese. Really, really good pizza anyway. And here they give you a buttload of ketchup with your pizza, and I don't know why. And then you get the cheese sauce, and they also give you some spicy sauce as well. So I don't really, I've had enough spice today, so I don't usually put the spice or that cheese sauce on my pizza. But the ketchup, I don't know why they give you a ketchup with your pizza. So anyway, that's it. That's our pizza, and it was how much, son? So the pizza was 272 pesos. And when we were walking back from buying our pop and that and looking for tacos, the lady told us that they don't allow dogs here. And the girl that checked us in is new. She said, I have a customer that comes and he always wants that room and is very, very, very particular. And she said, please, 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 you know. So the girl, she didn't know, right? So she said, well, I'm gonna let you stay. She spoke really good English too. She was speaking to Jen in Spanish, and she asked her if she speaks English and Jen, or Spanish, and Jen said, yeah, a little bit. And then she just started talking to us in English, really good English. So anyway, they let us stay, and we said, you know, Cece doesn't shed, and he's very well behaved. So we walk him 3 times a day or more, so anyway, it'll be all right. He's just begging for pizza now. Gotta go eat my pizza. Pizza. Well, guys, we discovered the light over here is motion activated. When you come up the stairs, it comes on automatically. So that's kind of cool. And the air conditioner works fabulous, but we also learned that there's no hot water. And I do remember reading that in the reviews. So it was a cold shower last night. So we just ordered takeout this morning. It was a little bit crappy, the weather, so it's nice now, the sun's shining. We were up pretty early. I was up at 3 a.m. and couldn't get back to sleep, and then I ended up staying up for about an hour. I finally did fall back to sleep, and I woke up at 8 after that. So yeah, we ordered from DiDi Food, which is similar to Uber Eats, pretty much the exact same thing, except for it's delivered by Diddy. So it's an app on your phone, just like Uber. So it's very popular here, Diddy. A little bit cheaper. We actually prefer the Diddy over Uber. So anyway, my friends, we're going to head out here this morning. Oh, you might as well come along with us, and that'll be it. We're winding down. The trip is coming to an end. Just about to Puerto Escondido. Me and Mickey are ready to go. All right, chicos. It is 10 o'clock in the morning or shortly after. And we are going to hit the road, my friends. So thanks for joining us today. We really appreciate it. We're going to continue on to Puerto Escondido, so make sure you check back for those videos, my friends. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego. I just finished checking my load. Everything's good. Tires all look good. Bikes are good. Roof rack's good. Cece, he's debatable. We gotta stop and get some gas and grab another coffee, my friends. So have yourself a fabulous day. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Hasta luego.
I'm not heading for the stars.